Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add break here in Zoho People. All right, if you're an admin, you can go ahead over to the top right, click on the gear icon. Now just go ahead over to attendance. Okay, click on it, and once done, under configuration, you have this tab. Okay, just basically click on break. Okay, and do make sure that under methods, that break is toggled on. All right, and then go to break right here. Now click on add break. Now give it a name. For example, lunch break. All right. Should it be paid or unpaid? So typically it is paid. So mode, automatic or manual. All right. Allocate break time, fixed time, or based on hours worked. Normally it is set to fixed time. Okay. From hour right here, maybe 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. All right. Exactly 12 to 1 p.m. So basically 1 hour. Okay. Applicable shift. If you have a ton of options in here, you can go and select one. If not, we have general and just hit on save. There you go. And just make sure that the status right here is online and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.